As an Egyptian developer, I'm excited to share the wonders of the pyramids with you. These ancient marvels have stood the test of time and are still a source of fascination today. Imagine soaring above the pyramids with a drone, capturing breathtaking aerial views of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This colossal structure, built over 4,500 years ago, is the last remaining wonder of the ancient world. Constructed with over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing several tons, the precision and engineering involved are astounding. The pyramids were built as monumental tombs for pharaohs, reflecting their power and the sophisticated craftsmanship of ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid, originally standing at 146 meters, was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its perfect alignment with the cardinal points and its role in the rich tapestry of Egyptian history and mythology continue to captivate scholars and tourists alike. Seeing the pyramids from the sky, you can truly appreciate their scale and the ingenuity of the people who built them. It's no wonder they are celebrated as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Join me in discovering the beauty and mystery of the pyramids, and let's marvel at the legacy of ancient Egypt together.